Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'll show you how to knit this very easy pattern. You can use this pattern as a jean sweater and lady sweater and cardigan. See, this is the look of this pattern, and this is very easy pattern. I have done with this border. See, wrong side looks like this. So this is only 6 rows repeat pattern, and you will need to cast on multiples of multiples of 6 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. Multiples of 6 plus 1 extra stitch and 2 edge stitch. So let's begin. So for the demonstration I have 21 stitches on my needle, which is 6 plus 6 plus 6. 3 times 6 18 plus 1 extra stitch 19 and 2 edge stitch 21. So row 1 right side row 1 right side your edge stitch knit on the right side and start the repeat from here. For repeat pattern, purl 3 1 2 3, purl 3, knit 1, purl 2, 1 and 2. That's the repeat from here to here. Purl 3 1 2 3, knit 1, purl 2. Repeat that again. We have 2 more repeats. Purl 3 1 2 3, knit 1, purl 2. Again, purl 3 1 2 3, knit 1, purl 2, and your last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 2 wrong side your edge stitch slip and then start the repeat from here. Knit 3 1 2 3, knit 3, purl 1 and knit 2, 1 2. That's the repeat. Knit 3, purl 1, knit 2. Again, knit 3 1 2 3, purl 1 and knit 2. One more repeat. Knit 3 1 2 3, purl 1 and knit 2, 1 and 2. Last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, purl 1. Row 3 right side. For row 3 and row 4 we're gonna knit edge row 1 and 2, edge stitch slip and start the repeat from here. Purl 3 1 2 3, knit 1, purl 2, 1 2. That's the repeat. Purl 3, knit 1, purl 2. Again, purl 3 1 2 3, knit 1, purl 2. One more repeat. Purl 3 1 2 3, knit 1 and purl 2. Last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 4 wrong side, edge stitch slip and start the repeat from here. Knit 3 1 2 3, knit 3, purl 1, knit 2. Again, knit 3 1 2 3, purl 1, knit 2, 1 2. Repeat that again. Knit 3 1 2 3, purl 1, and knit 2. Last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, purl 1. Row 5 right side, row 5 right side your edge stitch, slip, and then start the repeat from here, purl 1 and draw loop from the 4th hole from this stitch, from this line. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, from the 4th hole draw loop and purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, 1 2, and then draw one more loop through that same hole, same stitch, right, and then purl 1. Sorry, that's the repeat from here to here. From here to here, purl 1, draw loop, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2 and draw loop. Repeat that again, purl 1, draw loop, 1 2 3 4, from the 4th hole and purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, sorry, draw loop. Again one more repeat, purl 1, draw loop, 1 2 3 4 sorry, draw loop, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, draw loop. So sorry, we have done all repeats here, and your last 2 stitch, purl 1, edge stitch, knit 1. Row 6, for row 6 your edge stitch, slip, and then start the repeat from here, knit 1, knit 2 together, this loop and this 1 stitch, knit 2 together, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, and then this 1 stitch, slip, knitwise, and this loop, slip, knitwise, and knit these 2 together through the back loop, and that's the repeat, knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, and then knit 2 together through the back loop. Again, knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, and flip these 2 stitches, 1 2, and then knit these 2 together through the back loop, and then again knit 1, knit 2 together, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, and then flip these 2 stitches and knit these 2 together through the back loop, and then last 2 stitch, knit 1, edge stitch, purl 1. So that's the repeat. We have done 1 repeat here. Now repeat this 6 rows, row 1 to row 6, over and over again until you reach your desired length, and after a few repeats your pattern looks like this. So if you like this pattern, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. So I'll see you on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.